Hey, let's talk about backing out of an angled parking spot. So I'm at a restaurant. I will be going to Canada, so I had to get some food because he's getting hungry. I'm looking over my left shoulder. I have a backup camera, but I'm looking and checking. And then I'm gonna put it in drive and turn hand over hand. And I know there's more than one way to turn the wheel. I'm turning hand over hand out. So if you can't see, then you roll down your window and look. And you can tell it's really bad weather tonight. It's not exactly happy weather, but it is what it is. And I turn into the nearest lane and I turn out.
Michigan 3 north for half a mile.
And I'm just maintaining. Petrol here is $3.19. Maintain a good speed. If I hug this right, the car will be hydroplaning, so I'm trying to stay exactly square and centered, you know, looking ahead. At the light, I have to make a right. I want to get over just before the light. And then I merge in really easy and I squeeze my brakes. I'm going a little fast. You can see I'm right on top of this car. But then I check traffic and look. And then I go into the nearest lane.
Continue on 21 Mile Road for 3/4 of a mile.
I maintain a good speed. I want to get over one lane to the left. The roads here in the state are not the greatest because of the freezing and thawing cycle. We're supposed to get some snow this weekend, so it's really hard on the roads. Other places in the country or even the world are better. At this light, I need to make a left turn to get onto the expressway. So I'm gonna take a different route. I'm gonna get in and squeeze my brakes. This is a protected left turn. If it's clear, I can make my turn, so I'm just gonna squeeze my brakes, go up, and once this vehicle passes me, I have a gap, and then I turn. And these are Chevron alignment signs. You can see how they are illuminated, and that was an automatic. Did you see that? I didn't turn that on, so my headlights automatically flash on at a high beam, and then I can see around this curve. And this is really the most dangerous. You got those semi trucks, and then I don't want to hit the gas too hard, so I'll spin, and then I'm accelerating. And that was a pretty nice merge. But this road is very deceptive because there's a lot of standing water here, and if I go at the posted speed limit, I'll spin out. That's a lifted truck. So I'm just gonna cruise. I'm at about 60. It's not worth it going to actual speed limit here because I'll spin out. I'm gonna go ahead, get over, and get off of this. So this is how you get off the freeway, and then I just lift my foot, take my time, and then you might see the lights pop on again. It's pretty incredible with this new technology. And if it's real shiny like this, see, it popped on again to help you see. And then you have the Chevron alignment signs to the right. See, it popped on again to tell you that the road goes sharply to the left. Always the opposite is popping on again. It's kind of weird, but that's new technology. So I'm gonna come up here and make a right. It just popped off because I don't want to blind the other driver. I'm gonna squeeze my brakes. I want to see the rear of the tires. And if you can't see, let down the window.
Turn slightly left onto Michigan 59 East Hall Road.
Checking traffic. I will be getting over to Canada. I look, I check, and I want to go in the nearest lane. It's not this first lane because I have to make a right. It's actually this lane. That car's really speeding. They kind of got up to speed really quick. And they're kind of drifting, so I'm kind of,
Use the left 2 lanes to
you can see them kind of drifting all over, so I'm just keeping my space.
use any lane to turn left onto Michigan 59 East. Use any lane to
And this
turn
is a
left on
really
Michigan
good
59
tutorial
Small Road.
to help you kind of understand the dangers out here.
3 north.
And I'm just scanning and definitely looking. It definitely keeps you alert. So I stop. They have the right of way. You can't just blow through on the red. A lot of adults and teens ask me that. So 6-cylinder. You can tell by the sound. I'm just taking my time. The car's definitely sliding. .47 miles an hour. Battery voltage is 13.5. I can set a timer if I want. Air filter is at 50%. Tire pressure is okay. The front right is at 39. It's a little high. Oil life. Oh, I gotta get an oil change soon. Fuel range is 131 miles. So I'm definitely gonna have to get some fuel. Guys, I'm a State Certified Instructor. If this brought you value, subscribe to my channel. I do driver's ed tutorials, and hopefully this brought you value. Bye.